This is unit number 4, video number 3, converting words into reactions. We've learned nomenclature. We know the rules of nomenclature. Type 1 compounds have fixed charges, and so we're going to have names like aluminum bromide and sodium chloride and potassium hydroxide. Type 2, we're going to use Roman numerals to represent the charge on the metal. And then type 3, we use prefixes to represent how many atoms are present. So I want to go through just a couple examples here. I've got aqueous nickel chloride, nickel 3 chloride. Let's go ahead and write that out. Aqueous nickel 3. Well, nickel plus 3. Chlorine, I know, is one of the halogens. Just a reminder. These are -1 charged in compounds. So this is going to be a -1. So we're going to have NiCl3. Aqueous, we have an AQ on the backside. Reacts with, that's a plus. Aluminum, that's just solid aluminum. Al, solid. To produce is going to be our arrow. Aqueous aluminum chloride. Go back to aluminum. Aluminum here in our triangle, it has a +3 charge. Al plus 3. Obviously, chloride is -1. So we're going to have AlCl3, it's aqueous, so we're going to put AQ on the backside, plus solid nickel, Ni solid. Obviously we're going to want to balance that, but this is balanced as written. So I don't need to change anything. I've got 1 nickel, 1 nickel. 3 chlorines, 3 chlorines, 1 aluminum, 1 aluminum. It's balanced as written. All right, another one here. We've got aqueous sodium hydroxide reacts with aqueous iron 2 chloride to produce iron 2 hydroxide solid and aqueous sodium chloride. So let's write that out. We'll start out with the sodium hydroxide. Sodium is a +1 ion, Na+. Hydroxide is a -1 ion. So we're going to have NaOH. It's aqueous. I'm going to put an AQ there. Put my line out front. Reacts with, that's going to be our plus, aqueous iron 2 chloride. Let's go back over here. Iron 2 chloride is going to be Fe plus 2. Remember, the Roman numeral represents the charge on the metal. Chloride is Cl minus 1. So we're going to have FeCl2, and that is aqueous. Put a line there. To produce, that's our arrow. So to produces our arrow. Iron 2 hydroxide. So I'll do it over here. We've got iron 2, that's Fe plus 2. OH minus is hydroxide. So I'm going to have FeOH2 solid. Plus, and it produces aqueous sodium chloride. Sodium chloride, Na+, Cl minus, aqueous. Put our lines in front of here. This one's not balanced as written. So I've got 1 sodium, that's balanced. But remember, when you're working with polyatomic ions, work at them as whole units. So I've got 1 hydroxide here, 2 hydroxides here. So I'm going to drop the 2 out in front of here to balance my hydroxides. When I do, I've changed my sodium. I'm going to put a 2 there. 1 iron, that's balanced. 2 chlorines, we're balanced.